Hey, what's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the wild world of digital assets. No fluff, just straight fire insights. If you're an American trader grinding through these holiday market swings, think Thanksgiving turkey prices versus your portfolio's feast or famine. Today's breakdown on this XRP USD chart is gonna hit different. We're talking real-time action from the TradingView feed, timestamped right around December 1st, 2025. With XRP chilling at $2.0063 after a brutal minus 8.4% dump in the last 24 hours. Volume exploding at 140 million XRP traded against 291 million bucks. That's the kind of frenzy that keeps us up at night. Right, but hold my energy drink, because this isn't just a bleed. It's a setup for the comeback story of the year. Let's unpack this beast like it's your next big trade. Picture this. You're staring at the main candlestick pane, and it's like XRP just survived a Black Friday sale gone wrong. Those red candles, they're painting a sharp nosedive from highs around $2, 20-something earlier in the day, slicing through support like a hot knife through butter. But zoom out to the 1D view, and bam, we're hovering above that crucial 200-period EMA at $2.1557, acting like a trampoline for bulls ready to bounce. The shorter EMAs, your 20-period at $2.086 and 50-period at $2.122 are dipping their toes in the red, crossing bearish like nervous dancers at a crypto prom. Yet that purple 100-period EMA at $2.1495. It's flattening out, whispering, stabilization incoming if we don't crack lower. And don't sleep on the Bollinger Bands. Price is hugging the lower rail at $2.0485, which screams oversold volatility. In plain English, this dip feels manufactured, like the big money's shaking out the weak hands before Santa delivers ETF gifts. Volume bars below. That massive orange spike on the drop confirms real selling pressure, but the blue recovery ticks hint at buyers lurking. If you're stateside and eyeing Fed rate vibes or Trump-era deregulation buzz, this setup mirrors those post-election pumps we saw earlier in 25. Fear now, fortune later. Flip down to the RSI, oh man. This is where the plot twists. At 23.07, we're in the panic sell basement. Sub-30 territory, that's catnip for reversals. Remember that epic V-shaped recovery in July, when RSI hit 18 and XRP rocketed 40% in a week. Same energy here. It's like the indicators yelling, "Dude, you're oversold, time to flip the script." Paired with the MACD histogram flashing those tiny blue bars on the DIF, minus 0.0400, and DEA, minus 0.0386 lines. We're seeing momentum coiling like a spring. The signal lines hugging zero at minus 0.014. Not screaming bearish divergence yet, just a breather before the histogram stacks green and we get that crossover pop. For you visual traders, it's the calm before the MACD storm. The kind that turned $1.50 into $2.50 back in Q3. Realistic talk, no indicator's a crystal ball. But this combo, it's got that high conviction reversal scent, especially with XRP's real-world utility in cross-border payments heating up amid global trade tensions. Now SAR's dotted line at $2.0021 is flipping bullish just below price. That's your parabolic SAR winking. Buy the dip Patriot and AVL. Steady at 80, no wild outliers, keeping the average volume line honest. Folks, in a market where Bitcoin's flexing at 100K and alts are playing catch-up, XRP's chart isn't broken, it's battle-tested. This minus 8.4% haircut, it's pruning the tree for stronger growth, washing out FOMO chasers before the next leg up. All right, drumroll for the price prediction, because you didn't smash that like button for history lessons alone. Short-term, eyes on $2.13 by mid-December. If we hold that 200 EMA and RSI climbs past 40, that's a quick 6% green for your weekend trades. But zoom out to end of month. Analysts are buzzing with targets clustering $2.70 to $2.85, fueled by ETF inflows and Ripple's banking partnership stacking wins. Changelly's calling a max of $2.47, with an average $2.33. While CoinDCX sees $2.85 if the bull market doesn't blink. Bearish flip if we breach $2 hard. $1.90 tests incoming. Per Coin Codex's cautious $2.07 EOM call. Longer haul into Q1, 26. I'm eyeing $3. 50 plus on institutional adoption waves, think Swift challengers and CBDC pilots going live. But hey, crypto's a rodeo, DYOR. Size your bags smart and never bet the farm. If XRP moons to those $4.5 highs some vets are whispering, your early DCA could be life-changing. What do you think, dip buy or sideline? Drop your takes in the comments. Hit subscribe for daily crypto roasts and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next XRP alert. This is your edge in the game. Let's make 2025 the year we print. Peace out, stack sats, and trade like a boss.